A little overcast today.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
It is. It was foggy this morning. Yeah.
Wow. It's so beautiful.
Leaves are changing and gone.
Yeah. That's awesome. Yeah, so we're gonna walk over by the pond and see what's going on. I really like the mow job that you did because I don't think I looked over here, but I remember when, well, we did, but you cleared a ton of this away. This was so overgrown. Well, there was so much. And look, there's a rock right there.
Mushrooms. That's good soil.
Oh my gosh, those are huge.
Should I eat one?
No,
No.
those are beautifully huge.
Good talking, isn't it? Good talking shit. Be a coyote den in here. I want to clear it away from the phone.
Oh yeah, you can see what looks like where they'd even crawl in.
Yeah.
Down in there.
I'll clear it out.
Real trees that look like fall. That doesn't happen in Arizona. Gonna be kind of hard to identify the tree with no leaves. Look at how gorgeous that looks. Makes you want pumpkin spice. Wow. This is great without the leaves because you can see through. It's been like a total wall. And I get like so scared to go back there because I don't know what's back there. And at night we hear, oh, I wish the dogs were here with us. The pond is probably one of my most favorite places. And especially now that it looks like it's getting green because we've had some rain. And it's damp. Like there is water on my boots just from the dew.
Gotta do some palm work. Yeah. It's not that bad once you get down here.
There's a tree down across the path.
Just watch your step. You can go around it. You recording?
Yeah. I can edit anything.
Yeah, it's a good tree right here.
I like it because it's it makes it so it's natural.
This one. Oh, this is really looks the other side.
I like that tree.
It's probably an oak. Joe found a path this way.
Joe says he got a path, but this is the kind of stuff. Put this away for a second.
Never explored here. Oh, that's pretty.
Oh my gosh.
Huh.
That's breathtaking. Oh my gosh. It's just
There
gorgeous.
goes There's the leaves.
Yo,
What?
this is all strawberries.
Really? Are there berries?
I'm pretty sure that this is berries, like wild strawberries. But I don't know. I'm pretty sure.
Got a lot to clear out. Like, and that's the other thing too. You can clear out a spot right here.
That's what I mean. What is our goal?
You know? Wait for me. That was a good trek. I'm glad we walked all the way through from the other side.
We've never seen it.
Nope.
It's awesome.
Trees are pretty.
It's gorgeous. The sun shining off that wood.
Yep, finally peeked out. Big sky. All right, I'm gonna unload the truck.